Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. My name's Phil. I'm going to show you this really nice ex-demonstrator polished metal Civic. It's the SE. It's a manual 1 litre petrol. So as you can see, it's in the polished metal, but it does have the copper pack on it as well. Looks really nice, stands out from the crowd. Alloy wheels, you can see there. Only done just over 5,000 miles, and it's the remainder of the 3-year AA roadside assistance and 3-year warranty. Fantastic family car. If you'd like a detailed and personalised video, please do give us a ring on 01704 500 501. Well, one of our salespeople can assist you in any way that you need. Have a quick look at the inside as well. Really nice car. So as it's the SE, you do get the Bluetooth, multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, so you've got the radar, lane keep assist, auto lights, climate control, everything you'd really need.